Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a adult beverage drink that I'm going to be showing you all. It is hosted by Wanda from Miss Amaechi, and some of the things that we're going to need today is pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon sticks, 1 red apple, 1 orange, 1 green apple, Canada Dry ginger ale, or you can use the other one. You'll also need 1 gallon of apple cider. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you made it this far in the video, you'll know that my name is C'Aira. If you're new here, welcome and nice to meet you and nice to have you over on my channel. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is an adult beverage drink that I'm going to show you guys how to make. So Thanksgiving is coming up. A lot of people are trying to break away from like sodas and things like that, and they don't know what drinks to bring to the table for Thanksgiving. So look no further. So basically for this recipe, you are going to need quite a few things, and I have these things in my refrigerator right now, and I want to go ahead and get it made because I don't want them to go to waste and have to rebuy these things. So I'm going to give this a taste test. Because this will be my first time making this, but when I found it, I said a lot of people are looking for something like this. So let's just go right into the kitchen. So I do have a container here. This is 1 gallon, but you need a total of a 2-gallon drink jar. So what I'm gonna do is just prep everything in my crock pot, since it's like a bigger space, and then I will just break it up into this container, and then I'll put the rest into smaller jars and take it with me to work and just tell everyone to try the Thanksgiving punch. So here we go. First thing that's gonna go in here is 2 gallons. I'm sorry, it's gonna go, it's gonna be 2 cups of apple cider in here. All right, so we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of the pumpkin pie spice. And I'm going to then whisk it together until any clumps are gone, and then I can add in the rest of the apple cider. All right, so now that I've whisked it together and there's no more clumps, what I get to do next is add in the rest of the apple cider. So this is where the ginger ale comes into play, and you're gonna need to add 48 ounces of ginger ale. What you can do instead of the ginger ale, if you wanna make this like a cocktail option, is to replace it with a bottle of your favorite champagne, and that is 750 milliliters. And yeah, you can feel free to add your desired amount of vodka or whiskey for a stronger punch, but today I'm just making a straight Thanksgiving punch recipe that can be shared with everyone. All right, so next is where we're gonna put the ginger ale in it. I'm gonna gently put it down on the table and open it because I see that we got, oh, okay, it didn't do it. So for 48 ounces, I have to fill this up to the 16 fluid ounce for a total of 3 times to get that 48 ounce that I need. All right, so here's 1. And here's our last cup of the ginger ale. 3 of these for the punch. And so what I need to do next is get ready to add in apples. I'm going to be adding in oranges. I'm also going to be adding in cranberries and then the cinnamon sticks, and I'm just going to mix it all up together. Alright, now we're going to pour the apple. All right, so we have our oranges cut, we have the apple cut, red apple, and then we also have the green apple cut. We are now going to take the frozen cranberries and put them into 1 cup's worth of I need 1 cup's worth of these. So these were found in the vegetable and fruit aisle of Kroger. If you're ever looking for frozen cranberries like it asks for in the recipe. Like I said, this is something that a lot of people can easily make for Thanksgiving at home. So I added in up to the top a couple of the cranberries. I'm just simply going to slide these over to the side and put them on here so that it's easier for me to put in. All right, so now I'm gonna get ready to put all of these into the crock pot and just kind of like stir it up. And then I will go ahead and break it down back into these 2 containers to make 1 gallon. And then I'm also going to put the rest into the red gallon jar. All right, so now that I've let it sit for a minute or 2, this is strictly just the ginger ale, the pumpkin pie spice, and then the apple cider. So I am going to, little by little, add in the ingredients that I cut up because this is beginning to be way too much. So I just don't want it to like overfill, and then I will try my best to get it all together. So this goes in a 2-gallon bag. So this goes in a 2-gallon jar. You guys can easily find those at like Five Below, or you can order them off of Amazon. I just did not realize that it wasn't big enough for what I need. So everything is in here. They just simply say to gently stir everything up all together, and then put this in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours before serving cold. And then you can keep this in the refrigerator in an airtight container for 3 to 4 days. So I'm just gonna give it like a little taste test now that I've gotten all the fruit out of there. Definitely smells very ginger ale-y. That's not even a word. But it definitely smells like ginger ale. Definitely smells like the pumpkin pie spice. And I can taste a little bit of the apple cider, so here we go. This would be really great if it was like a lot colder. So I definitely see why they say to put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. So yeah, taste test accomplished. I can taste the ginger ale in that gulp that I just got.
Me too.
Stop it. So if you like this video, don't be afraid to give it a thumbs up and be sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on another video. In my description box down below is a playlist of adult beverages for the month of November. Our last adult beverage is coming out in December, so if you would love to join in, I think that we have it scheduled for December 22nd. If you would love to join in, these videos release at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we love to see what other ideas of drinks people are making, have made, or what they enjoy. So this is just something that I created to show you guys that there are great drinks that people can create around the holidays to share with family and friends and coworkers and other things that come over to your home. Or if you go over to theirs, bring some of that Thanksgiving punch with you. Be sure to try it and let me know if you do down in my comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.